Let's say you're out on a ride and you see someone roll up on an e-bike. Smooth, quiet, barely sweating, and someone next to you leans over and says, "That's not cycling, it's just killing the culture." Now you've got a moment. Do you agree? Do you push back? Or do you just stay quiet because deep down, you're not totally sure either? Yeah, that conversation. We've all seen it. That's the thing with pedal assist e-bikes. Everyone seems to have a take. Some say they're cheating, some think they ride themselves, others think they're for people who gave up on real bikes. And honestly, some of us might have thought the same at one point. But here's what wild is. Most of that noise comes from outside the saddle. From people who haven't spent real time on one, who've never hit a hill and smiled when the assist kicked in just right, or covered 40 miles and still felt good after. And then there's the belief that they're all slow, heavy, or too complex. So today, we're cutting through that fog. We're looking at the myths that keep popping up, online, in group rides, or random cafe moments like that. The stuff people say that sounds right, until you know better. And if you've ever had doubts about pedal assist, this might be the story that clears them up. Let's get into it. One of the biggest myths is that pedal assist means you don't have to pedal at all. Let's clear this up fast. Pedal assist doesn't replace your effort. It multiplies it. You push the pedal, and the motor responds. You still need to pedal, just like a regular bike. The more power you put in, the more assist you get out. But stop pedaling? You get nothing. This isn't about laziness, it's about control. You choose when to push harder or take it easy. Riders still burn calories. You still break a sweat. The only thing missing is the struggle that turns people away from biking in the first place. We've seen athletes use them to train. We've seen busy commuters replace car rides with them. Parents use them to carry kids. So, it's not about skipping effort, it's about choosing when to use it. Some say that pedal assist bikes are watering down what cycling used to be, that they're ruining the sport or changing the culture. But if you zoom out, it's doing the opposite. In our opinion, pedal assist bikes aren't replacing traditional cycling, they're expanding it. Nowadays, you can see more people are riding. Commuters, older riders, new cyclists, even those who gave up years ago. And that means more bike lanes, more advocacy, more funding, and more respect for bikes on the road. And here's the truth. Traditional cyclists still ride their own way. Road bikes, fixed gears, mountain setups, they're not going anywhere. Pedal assist e-bikes just brought more people to the party. You are pedaling the same way, but with a little boost. That's not killing the culture, that's backing it up. We hear this one a lot. It's a hassle to maintain. But if you can maintain a regular bike, you can handle a pedal assist e-bike. The core parts, chain, cassette, brakes, tires, they're the same. Same tools, same upkeep. The extra components it got, the motor, battery, and controller, and they are built to be low maintenance. Most systems are sealed and don't need regular servicing unless something's off. Brands like Bosch and Shimano even offer diagnostic tools at certified shops, so if something happens, help is quick and simple. And because the assist takes some stress off your knees and drive system, wear and tear can actually slow down in some cases, not speed up. So it's not harder, it's just different. And once you get used to it, taking care of an e-bike is no more stressful than caring for a regular one. This one's old news. Modern pedal assist bikes are built to take a beating. You get sealed battery housings, and most mid-range e-bikes today are IP65 rated or higher, which means you can ride in rain, across puddles, or on dusty trails without worry. Motors like Bosch, Shimano Steps, or Bafang are designed for years of outdoor use, and for off-road or uneven pavement. Fat tire models and front suspension systems can smooth out rough terrain just like a traditional mountain bike. Some setups even include torque sensors that adjust assist depending on incline or pressure, so you're not slipping or spinning out on hills or gravel. So no, it's not a fragile machine. These bikes are meant to roll through real-life conditions. People still think pedal assist e-bikes are just for short city commutes or errands around town. But they are going farther than ever. Literally. You can push 40 to 70 miles per charge, depending on assist level, terrain, and weight. And if you ride smart, using lower assist on flat stretches and higher only when needed, you'll stretch that range even more. Some touring riders even carry a spare battery for serious distance. And high-end models like the Trek Allant Plus or specialized Turbo Vado can handle back-to-back long rides without blinking. Also, since you stay fresher during the ride, it's easier to cover more ground without burning out halfway through. And if the battery dies, you can still ride it without assist. It feels a bit heavier because of the extra weight, but it's not too bad. So yeah, there's been a lot said about pedal assist e-bikes. Some fair, some way off. But once you actually ride one, most of those myths start to fall apart. At the end of the day, it's still you on the bike. Your legs, your control, your ride. The assist, it just backs you up when you need it. Thanks for watching. Share your opinion in the comments. If you found it helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more videos.